Okay. That's a prep with even undercuts. There you go. You didn't even see the undercuts there. You cannot see the margin. The height of contour is not even cut down. Okay. Alright, granted, this is a model, but hold on. Que yo no puedo ir para allá los miércoles.
¿Para dónde?
A Melbourne. There we go. José y Karim trabajan allí. There you go. That's about it.
Eddie, pero...
Oh, no, sorry. Pero apuntada ayer, yo no tengo que verlo. That's it. That's done. So about as long as it should take.
Hey Charlotte, how are you?
Okay, how's it doing?
They're doing great.
There you go. With or without
How are you today?
partial rests.
Okay, wonderful.
That's the prep. Shoulder. Jacket prep. That's the one they teach us at the board.
You got a cold?
It's the one we do in the test.